One, let's see a message that is meant to reach you right now. So I see that you have been, living in this hermit energy for quite a while now. You disconnected from the world, you disconnected from your outer reality, you disconnected from people around you, your 3D reality. I'm getting you disconnected from the 3D reality. For some of you also, I'm getting that, you know uh, the reality, things that happened in your life were too harsh, that made you go into hermit energy, that made you into this, like, that got you into this introverted energy, where you are no longer willing to go out to experience this 3D life, this material life. For some of you, I'm getting that you might have quitted your job, or something like that, like you literally ended something, you literally disconnected from people, from relationship, you stopped going to your workplace, something like that, like you disconnected completely from your outer reality, from this 3D reality, and you got into this hermit energy where you were like meditating and contemplating. You found solace with yourself by connecting with yourself. So that was so peaceful for you, that you have been hermiting for quite a while now. The message for you is that now is the time for you to get out of this hermit energy, and face the world, face the reality. You're being born as a human, so you have some human responsibility. Now is the time for you to take charge of your responsibility, to take charge of this aspect of life. Spirituality is good, but we need a balance. So hermiting is not going to help you. Now you need to get out and experience life, experience world. The best form of spirituality is being in this material world, and experiencing this material world in the best way possible. So that is the guidance for you.